Akhilesh Yadav has been accusing the BJP government and the UP administration of engineering the violence to take the spotlight off the allegations of malpractice during the by-polls. Akhilesh Yadav earlier had also tweeted a video where the petitioner was seen and slogans of Jai Shri Ram were also heard. Now, Akhilesh and his party members claim that because provocative slogans were raised by the survey team, the situation escalated. In fact, the SP chief today has also posted a picture of Vishnu Shankar Jain from a newspaper and has asked when will the government release pictures of those who instigated and started the riots. Meanwhile, the petitioner in the case has also countered these allegations made by Akhilesh Yadav by commenting on a video that shows him with the survey team. In this video, Vishnu Shankar Jain is seen with the survey team, but no slogans were raised. Vishnu Shankar Jain also clarified that the video where the Jai Shri Ram slogan was heard was when he left the disputed site after the survey was completed, and he said that it was not the video from the survey site, as claim versus counter-claim over who provoked continues. Listening to this version, which really debunks the misinformation. This is a man who has a shop right next to the Jama Masjid, and he witnessed everything that happened on the fateful Sunday. As per this witness, the survey team didn't raise any slogans while entering the masjid.
नहीं सर हमारे साथ नहीं जो कमेटी में हमारे प्रदीप साहब है वो आ जाए नहीं सर नहीं चलेंगे नहीं जाना जाना ही आगे कोई नहीं रहेगा
जब ये सर्वे की टीम आई तो ये आराम से अंदर गए।
ये आराम से गए, बिल्कुल कोई पाबंदी नहीं लाई, तोश नहीं लाई। हमारे जामा मस्जिद के सदर साहब भी थे।
कोई नारे वगैरह लगा रहे थे उस समय?
कोई नहीं लाया, नहीं तुझ नहीं।
अपने सर्वे की टीम भी तो नहीं कोई नारे लगा रही थी?
सर्वे की टीम ने तुझ नारे नहीं लाए, खामोशी से अपने आई, और ये इनके साथ जो लोग थे उन्होंने तुझ बदतमीजी करी थी थोड़ी बहुत, और वो लोग चले गए। फिर यहाँ तमाम भीड़ जमा हो गई, नहीं जमा हुई उसके बाद में हमें नहीं मालूम कि क्या हुआ।
क्या हुआ ये फिर बाहर जब निकले उसके बाद
में हमें नहीं पता, हम अपने घर चले गए थे।
लेकिन ये बात है कि ये कोई नारे नहीं लगा रहे थे उस समय जब सर्वे की टीम अंदर गई थी? इनमें से कोई नारे नहीं लगा?
कोई नारे नहीं लगाए। तमाम अंदर की टीम अंदर से मुआयना करा। तो ये मस्जिद है या मंदिर है, वो भी खुद ताज्जुब में रह रहे थे। मस्जिद है मंदिर की कोई चीज नहीं निकली।
यानी कि जो कुछ लोग सियासतदान बताने की बात कर रहे हैं कि ये जय श्री राम के नारे लगाते हुए अंदर गई, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ?
ऐसा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब लोग झूठ बोलते हैं।
So, Pradeep, you spoke to the eyewitnesses there who spoke about the fact that there was no chanting of any such slogan, so there was no provocation as is being claimed by Akhilesh Yadav. There are two videos that have now been posted, one where Akhilesh claims that slogans were chanted and the other by the petitioner who says there were no slogans. So the question being, what exactly happened and what led to this provocation as is being alleged by Akhilesh Yadav, which led to this violence?
See, half-truth is always a dangerous thing, because the video that has been put by the opposition party leader, that video is about when the team had left and they were moving from the by-lane. That was the time when some of the bystanders raised Jai Shri Ram slogans, and those slogans were raised in response to Nara Takbir slogans. So that is what we have been told. I spoke to the person who was present there at that point of time when survey team entered inside Jama Masjid Mosque. He is a Muslim trader from that area. He's got a shop in the vicinity of Jama Masjid. He said no slogans were raised. Silently team entered inside Jama Masjid Mosque. He said that no slogan was raised by any of them. And after that also when they left, no sloganeering was from their side. I said to the opposition party leaders, I asked him, in fact, opposition party leaders are saying that Jai Shri Ram slogans were chanted by them, and that led to a provocation. He said, sab jhoot bolte hain, aisa kuch nahi hua. Nothing of that sort has really happened, because those were also officials. How come they will be raising Jai Shri Ram slogans? Because they are very responsible people. He said this thing. He said they went went inside because nothing of that sort happened. But all of a sudden, what really happened later on, he says, I failed to understand. I have no idea about that because by then he had also moved towards his place. And had he not moved towards his place, definitely it would have been problematic for him also, because the way 700 to 800 people all of a sudden came out of that place, they started pelting stone. So there are two videos. The first video, which you are seeing, see how the Vishnu Jain, he is moving inside. That's one of the reasons that Vishnu Jain has said that Asaduddin Owaisi will be responsible for if something will really happen to him. He said that certain people have started threatening and intimidating him. He said, I am not saying it all this because I want any kind of a security. But there has been a misinformation campaign that has been unleashed by certain political parties saying that Vishnu Jain and other people were raising Jai Shri Ram slogan, because of which there was a provocation. Finally, people started pelting stones. This was a provocation. And now this video clearly indicates, it debunks that fake narrative that is being peddled by certain political party leaders. And see, this video clearly shows they are entering inside the mosque, not a word being uttered. They are responsibly going inside, and after conducting the survey, they're coming out. It was only when they were moving from the by-lane that was the time. Because when you see, look at the video, that video doesn't say when it was captured.